Hi and welcome back. I'm actually back home, as you can tell with my setup, and today I thought I would just do like a quick day to night look because I already have some makeup on from this morning, so I'm just gonna quickly switch that to kind of like a nighttime going out type of thing, just a little sprucing up. And so we're gonna begin. I have here my Naked Urban Decay palette, Naked Heat. I'm just gonna add some eyeliner just to do like a quick kind of like cat eye. I have this Kevyn Aucoin, the eye pencil Primatif in basic brown. This is a little sample I just got recently. So I'm going to try and attempt to do a cat eye with this pencil. So let me just zoom you guys in. So we got one eye done. Time to attempt to do the same thing on the other side. And that was a lot easier than I expected. So now we have that done, and we're gonna go in using the A La Mar brush collection. So this is like a flat top, and we're gonna go in with Ember. And we're actually gonna wet the brush. I didn't have any water around, so I just used the facial spray that I have. We're just gonna tap that in, get a good amount on there, and we're just gonna go over that liner. Here's one side. Gives it like a metallic bronzy look to it. And then I just like to go underneath, just in the corner, to connect it. And I love that color too, because it brings out the brown in my eyes. So to clean it up, just gonna go in with this NARS soft matte concealer with my beauty blender. Just gonna clean up those edges. Also, by doing that, it gives it just like a sharper flick at the end, which I love. Okay, so now that we have that done, I'm just gonna put a little more blush and highlighter on. So I'm going to go in with this Tarte Play 12-Hour Blush in Party. This little thing here that I've hit pan on already. I already have some cream blush, as you can see. So I'm just gonna go in with this lighter, like pinky nude, muted nude. I don't know why I'm saying nude. It's a muted pink. And use my Besame cheek brush. Now with my Luxie tapered highlighter brush, I'm gonna go in to my Becca Opal. Here, my little travel size. And just add a little bit of more highlight. Not too much. And then in the inner corners too. really got any eyeshadow on my lashes, but I'm just gonna add a little more mascara. I'm using the Caution mascara from Hourglass. There we go. And it's what I already had on my lashes too, just for reference. And we're about to finish. We're gonna do some lip liner, and I'm gonna be using two lip products, my McGrath's lipstick in Elson and my Estée Lauder by Violette. It's her Pure Color MB Liquid Foil in 314. It's really pretty. It's kind of like a burgundy red with like flecks of sparkle. So let's start with the lip liner. It's from L'Oreal Color Rich Matte in shade number 102 in Matte-Uated with You. I totally said that wrong. You guys can't even see the mirror's blocking. Sorry about that. I don't get super precise with my lip liner because I just go in with my finger and blend it out. And now we're gonna put on first the Elson. It's beautiful red. And I don't know if you've tried the McGrath lipsticks before, her matte lipsticks. They're so wonderful. They're highly pigmented, beautiful packaging. And they have a similar like feeling on the lips like the Charlotte Tilbury. Like you just put it on and you completely forget that you have them on your lips. So now we're gonna top this with the Estée Lauder liquid lip. I don't think it took that long. It says 11 minutes on my camera. That was pretty fast. Quick day to night look. Just a few products. You can even use your, well, no, never mind. You cannot use your fingers for the eyeliner. It's kind of hot in here. I'm just gonna finish spraying with this Mario Tedeschi facial spray. It's like I'm wearing a sweater. I'm back in Florida. It's only like 75 degrees out, but man, it feels so hot. So I just wanted to spritz myself, cool off a little. And I don't know if you guys can see it. I got the cutest little, the Estée Lalonde collab with Daisy London. I absolutely love the jewelry she came out with. It's probably super blurry. Yeah, my camera's like, I'm focused on your face. But yeah, this is like the little bar earring. And I forgot what this little hoop is called. And this is just from like Target or something. That is it. This is my quick little video. I'm gonna try and do more of these so you guys don't have to spend like 20 minutes watching a video. But that was it. I hope you enjoyed. I'll link all the products I used below. And remember to subscribe and hit that like button. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.